What's up guys, I'm Sean. This is my 5-year review of my BMW E46 M3 track build. Things I want to talk about have been documented via DIYs and track videos on my YouTube channel, so check it out. I bought my car in June of 2016, so it's been 5 years already. I did a ton of preventative maintenance as well as upgrades, and again, all my videos are on my playlist, so check it out when you get a chance. I also addressed the rear subframe, did a valve adjustment, Vanos bulletproofing. I get my oil analysis to check my rod bearings. I replaced the radiator, the oil cooler, added an electric fan, the suspension, the brakes. I did a manual swap. My SMG was giving me troubles on the track, so I had a shop do a manual swap for me, and the manual swap has been very reliable as well. I replaced the alternator. I did a cooling overhaul, changing the water pump. I had my fuel injectors sent out to get tested and cleaned. Of course, I do preventative maintenance, fuel filter, oil change, transmission flush, diff flush, brake flush. I gutted the car, moved the air conditioning, sound deck material. I upgraded my LSD to a 3-clutch LSD and added solid diff bushings. I replaced my rear glass with 5-store polycarbonate glass to shed weight. My car weighs about 2875 with a half a tank of gas and no driver. As far as my brakes concerned, I added anti-knockback springs to address the patent knockback I was having. With the anti-knockback springs, the pistons push out now, which is nice. My rear brakes, I upgraded to Brembo brakes from a Porsche 996, and now my brakes work great. And again, all my videos have been documented online on my playlist, so check it out. So after 5 years, it's given me plenty of seat time and has allowed me to get a lot better as a driver. The only thing I would do differently is buying a V8. The V8 will have more potential and allow me to be more competitive with the upper echelon cars. My M3 has been very reliable. I drive 2.5 hours to the track, hit the track hard, drive 2.5 hours back. So I put about 16,000 miles and over 40 track events, and my M3 has been very reliable. It's never broke down on me or left me stranded at the track. And I think that's because I did a ton of preventative maintenance as well as upgrades. So if you're looking to build an E46 M3, you can use my playlist as a guide. Anyway, we'll see what I build next. Most likely it'll be V8 all motor. Until then, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.